Adventure is when it's snowing. Into the cold, Lord and live dreams. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
What's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well today. It is a beautiful day here in Eagle River, Alaska. It's so beautiful that I actually think I'm going to go to the Eagle River Nature Center. It's one of my favorite places to go. I love going to the Nature Center, especially since it's such a short drive. And actually, just driving there is one of my favorite things to do, not just the Nature Center. There's some days where Jocelyn might fall asleep in the back of the car, or just I'm trying to waste some time before I'm going to my next, place of where I'm going to be, and I have extra time, that I'll just drive down to the Nature Center. It's just so beautiful to kind of drive through the valley here in Eagle River. And I had an idea that I could try and take you guys along with me, kind of a first-person point of view. So if you haven't been, I highly recommend it. The two most popular trails are the Rodak Trail and the Albert Loop Trail. I believe the Albert Loop Trail is actually closed. I saw something the other day that there's some brown bear activity with fish and salmon, and so they closed that trail completely because there were a lot of brown bears on it, so it's probably still closed. But I had an idea that I could try to do it almost in a first-person point of view, what I see. So I'm going to take you along for the drive, kind of the main part of Eagle River, where the main Walmart is, the Eagle River Road, and take you down the road in a first-person point of view, and then when we get there, take you in a first-person point of view of what I'm seeing along the trail. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't been yet, take this as kind of an experience of going, and if you ever come to Eagle River, I highly recommend it. But I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys enjoy it, and here we go. guys, I hope you enjoyed the journey with me to the Eagle River Nature Center in Eagle River, Alaska. It's one of my favorite places to come, and I thought, why not try to bring you along with me with the first person point of view. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys are doing well. See you guys in the next one. Bye.